Are you wanting to get out of your apartment and townhouse and sick of paying strata fees? Well, look no further. Today we have a brand new, ultra-modern, luxurious duplex for you today. My name is Denise Mai.
And my name is Ann Pham, and today we're excited to bring to you not one, but two brand new listings in the heart of Vancouver, Mount Pleasant. 803 12th Street. It's got 1,300 square feet of living space, 3 bedroom and 3 bath.
We also have 2746 Prince Albert. This is a 3 bedroom, 3 full bathroom. Plus, you got a bonus mortgage helper that's a 1 bedroom and den, but possibly a 2 bedroom. And we can't wait to give you a tour. As you step inside from your cute little porch outside, you're greeted by this open concept floor plan. Because you're a quarter unit, you have so many windows with natural light pouring through. You also have a fireplace, which is the focal point of this living room, plus an accent wall. And here is your chef kitchen. You've got this great island that's so good to prepare food with quartz countertop and gray cabinetry. You also have full-size Samsung appliance package with an electric stove. And over here, you have a washer and dryer that is full size as well. Over here, you have the nook, which is your dining area. This is so great for you to entertain and really enjoy with all your friends and family.
And upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms. I'm standing here in the primary bedroom, spacious enough to fit a queen-size bed. And we have 2 large windows to let in plenty of natural light. And we also have an ensuite perfect for unwinding at the end of the day. And on this side of the home, you'll find your 2 other bedrooms and an additional bath. This home is equipped with central AC and radiant floor heating, perfect for your comfort year-round. Mount Pleasant is known for its welcoming and lively atmosphere, fostering many community events and festivals year-round. You got a diverse range of dining options and unique boutiques, as well as parks and green space nearby for your outdoor activities. It's conveniently located in the heart of Vancouver with easy access to downtown and other key areas such as schools, community centers, healthcare facility, Burnaby, YVR, Vancouver Airport, and so much more.
Don't miss your chance to own this brand new duplex in a neighborhood that truly has it all.
Contact us today to schedule a private tour. My name is Ann Pham.
And I'm Denise Mai. We're more than happy to set up a private viewing with you.